your subscribers that I will tell you how you can easily fix your errors. So if FaceTime disappear from your iPhone, so how you can fix it. So first thing you need to try, just restore your phone. So just go to the settings, just find in the settings general, and in the general just scroll down. Here you will see shutdown, so just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So if it doesn't help you, you can also try another way. So just go to the settings again, just find in the settings control center, and here you need to sorry, not control center but screen time. Just open screen time, open content and privacy restrictions, just open allowed apps, and here you will see FaceTime. Just turn on here, and now if we just go back, here you can see FaceTime, it appear on our screen. So this is the way how you can do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.